what's up everyone? I am your host Alicia Meller, welcoming you to join to me today in our journey, in our adventure, howling job going up there in the Deadhorse Proto Bay as I am showing you different kinds of truck and of course howling stuff. There is a fuel, flatbed, there is a van, and of course the long pipe, oversized, and of course rolling up and down to these hills and mountain of the Dalton Haul Road. And right now guys, we are preparing, we are cleaning our truck. Of course we are using the pressure water cleaning, pressure washer, so that is the right word. So this is the way how we clean up our truck, and I am helping my husband. And today as we were gonna continue our journey going up there in Deadhorse Proto Bay, enjoy the rest of the scenery and of course the howling stuff going up there. And thank you everyone, don't complain about the voiceover because most of the time it's very noisy, the truck, and the sounds cannot stop us, but it's normal because we are howling, and there's always a lot of huge truck that you can see to these hills and mountains of the wilderness of Alaska going to the Deadhorse Proto Bay. The oil field of Alaska, this is the biggest oil field in the entire North America. As you can see guys, we are now in the wilderness. There is no connection in this wilderness, but we are so thankful that anytime I can do my blog, I can do the live because of our Starlink. And thank you so much for the sponsor of our Starlink. Anywhere we are, we can avail the internet. Okay, and that's it guys, rolling up to these hills of the roller coaster as you can see. So keep tuning in as we will continue our travel for today, and stay tuned for more of the videos, very nice videos, adventure videos, as today is a summer here in Alaska. Of course no more snow, but it's still very cold. That is the weather here in Alaska. And of course you can see a lot of camper, a lot of motorcycle, bicycle, and this one is the Canadian hauler. They are stopping by there because they are going by by group. So as you can see, there's a lot also of motorcycle and another camper tourists, because that is the only time that they can goes up here in the Deadhorse Proto Bay and can roll here in the Dalton Highway, because the summer they are prohibited. So that's it so far, and keep it up. As you can see guys, there's a lot of long pipe howler here stopping here, and as you can see, and I am showing you all the howlers along the road. This is a very beautiful scenery guys. That is why I included this one in my video, because you know I cannot resist the beauty of the wilderness of Alaska. Okay, continue watching.
Looks like you're coming with me then, huh, bud? Yeah, hopefully we don't block anybody. I'm just concerned that we're going to be blocking somebody's driveway. But
see, there's another one.
Alrighty. Yep, this is Slow Joe today. Hey, they're working down in the bottom of ice cut and oil spill.
There's a lot of oversized howler today. Long pipe, oversized.
Oh yeah, welcome to keep rolling. He's just coming up, and yep, no problem. Driver says keep your foot in it.
From part 2. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Wow. The time right now, it's 11:39 in the morning of Tuesday. Yeah, that is very nice job. Pilot car, you are really ahead. So we are stopping here just to wait for that 2 oversized truck. Actually, they are not that heavy, maybe, I don't know, but they are really oversized. So good job, guys. Wow, great captured also for me. Thank you, Peterbilt oversized. Wow, great job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You bet.
Another one. Guys, thank you. What's out for this in my blog, Alicia Meller Videos and Photography. Pilot car, thank you. 62 miles, guys, out the Dalton Hall Road away from Deadhorse. This is the Pacto station. That is station. Because there are so many retarded people are asking me to picture this pump station 2, station 3, and station 4. This pump is really wow. Another long pipe. Hours. Look at them. Three of them. Forward on the other side. This is what I heard in Deadhorse. And then, guys. The lake is still frozen. We're now in the Deadhorse, guys, and it's foggy here and it's very, very cold. It's 31 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna deliver the fuel. But that one, there's still a lot of snow.
Shit. Some freaking punk gonna pull in right in front of us.
Look at this driver, guys. Good driver. Maintaining the the protocol of the hauler. Look at that one. It's very muddy, dusty. Cleaning the plate number and all the lights. Good job. Shout out to you. Good job, dudes. Okay, shout out. You know what a great tattoo. The tattoo there. It's the American flag. Wow, good job. Hi. Good job. While waiting for the pilot car, you know, the flaggers. Beautiful scenery, guys. Beautiful scenery with that howler. Yeah, we need to wait here because the bridge is too tight. Big Dreams. Long time no see. Big Dreams, you are here right now. Hello. Yes, hello team.
Long time I see you out here again, Tim.
Big Dreams. Hello. Shout out. Oh, Big Dreams. Okay. Shout out, Big Dreams. Nice to meet you again. This is for you. Okay. Shout out. Look at that one, guys. Two howlers bound to south. They are rolling down to these shelves. They are still very far from us, but thank you for the zoom camera. I can reach them even though 1 mile away. I'm so sorry. It's there. It's rolling down now. There are two. And there is a car behind them. There are also a fuel tanker. Yeah, you cannot see now, but they are there. So we will see here. Yeah, okay, they are there. Nice. So this is the shelf, guys.